Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about the magic of math, presenting unusual information. And I'm going to tell us a story that centers around Halloween, slime, and we're going to get ourselves out of a predicament using our math skills. So first of all, what is unusual information? So this is just a way that we can make math fun and interesting. Instead of just learning formulas, we can discover cool math ideas by looking at math problems that surprise us. So before we get started, we can ask questions like, why is this interesting? How can we explain it? What do we wonder about? And this will help us to become better math thinkers. So for our spooky slime, we're going to have a challenge of getting out of a spooky slime web. So imagine you're walking through a forest on Halloween night to get to a neighborhood for trick-or-treating, and you get stuck in a sticky slime web. In order to escape, you have to understand the slime recipe so you can undo it. So you will need to measure the ingredients carefully, follow the recipe steps, mix everything correctly, and observe how the slime changes. Your math skills will help you break free from the web. So let's take a moment and talk about what we are intrigued by in this scenario. What makes slime so exciting? Is it how it feels? Is it the colors? Is it how it stretches? And now explain, what do we know about slime already? What ingredients do you think we need? How do we mix them together? How does the slime feel when it's done? And let's wonder, what questions do we have before we do the experiment? How do ingredients change when mixed? What happens if we modify the recipe? Okay, boys and girls, you've done a great job investigating the slime web and trying out the recipe yourselves. So I want you to take a minute and rate your slime success. Give yourself a self-assessment and assign a number for what you think you did and explain, reflect. So 4 means you created something new with the recipe and you nailed it. And number 3 means you followed all the steps and you made pretty good slime. 2 is you did some of the steps and they worked, but your slime still needs some help. Number 1 is you're just getting started. You tried, but the slime didn't quite turn out the way you hoped. And if you give yourself a 0, you're not quite finished with the recipe, but you'll try it next time. So we used math in our slime recipe, and this took effect through the fractions. We measured parts of the ingredients, like by using half a cup and a quarter teaspoon. We measured using grams, milliliters, and cups. And we used estimation to guess how much of each material we would need. Then we used problem-solving skills to fix the recipe when something went wrong. All of these math skills help us in cooking, building, and many other practical activities. I hope you had fun. Thanks for trying.